The U.S. delegation, led by Deputy Assistant Secretary of State for Democracy, Human Rights and Labor Thomas Melia, called on the Azerbaijani authorities to start dialogue with civil society and opposition on April 18th after its meetings with government officials, civil society activists and opposition members. Melia said during these meetings he raised concern over arrest of people for exercising their right to freedom of expression and assembly and called for their release. Melia regretted he was not able to meet the leader of Real Movement Ilgar Mammadov, whom he had met during his previous visit. Melia said he sought to meet Mammadov in jail but did not receive response to his request. According to Melia, he called on Azerbaijani authorities to end pressure on civil society activists and eliminate obstacles that hinder the activities of NGOs. He noted the importance of creating favorable environment for the structures committed to democracy, in particular the Free Thought University. Referring to the upcoming presidential elections, Melia said that this will be a good opportunity for Azerbaijan to show compliance with international obligations. Regarding the future of the National Democratic Institute in Azerbaijan, Melia said that this week the representatives of NDI had meetings with Azerbaijani officials and expressed the hope that the issue will be clarified. Melia also said that U.S. State Department is going to issue its annual report on human rights situation in Azerbaijan for 2012.